Hey guys, it's Brandon here with another view, and today we have a 2018 Ram Promaster, and I'm going to show you how to exit the shipping mode without a scan tool. What's up guys? Alright, here we are with the 2018 Promaster. We're going to take this thing out of ship mode, not using a scan tool. I know that they say that you have to use the scan tool, but you do not. As you can see here, the battery light is flashing, indicating that it is in ship mode. The radio doesn't work. So what you're going to do first is you're going to turn the key on. You're going to come over here, and if I can find the headlight switch, you're going to turn the headlights to the off position. Then you're going to turn the right turn signal on. Then you're going to pull it back to you like if you're on high beam. You're going to pull it back to you. And then you're going to hold it for like 10 seconds. And then you'll see the battery light stop flashing here in just a second. Boom, there it is. Stop flashing. Now it's out of ship mode. Now the radio works. Hey guys, if this was helpful to you, make sure you click that like button. Leave a comment below. And make sure you subscribe. Click that bell icon for more information on Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.